Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best heated mattress pads on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sunbeam Rest Full Quilted Heated Mattress Pad. This heated mattress pad will keep you snug and cozy all night long. You won't need to fret about it becoming too hot or having to get up in the middle of the night to modify the settings, either. The top of the pad is made from 100% polyester to ensure it is extra soft and cozy. Additionally, its 2 digital controllers offer unparalleled individualized control of the 12 heat settings on each side of the bed, which allows users to personalize their side's temperature levels for a more restful night's sleep, making it ideal for partners who have different nighttime heat preferences. What we like about it: soft and comfortable cover. Heats up quickly and evenly. What we don't like about it: controllers do not have memory settings. Number 2. Degrees of Comfort Dual Control Heated Mattress Pad. The Degrees of Comfort Dual Control Heated Mattress Pad is an impressive product that offers a great combination of features and quality. One of the greatest features of this product is its dual controller system. This allows each user to customize their side of the bed to their desired heating preference, from quickly heating up from the bottom up to quickly cooling down. It also has 5 heat settings, so you can choose what temperature best suits your needs. What we like about it: soft, breathable fabric. Auto shut-off timer. 5-year warranty. What we don't like about it: maybe too warm for stomach sleepers. Number 3. Reek Squeen Zoned Heated Mattress Pad. Reek Squeen Size Zoned Electric Heated Mattress Pad takes the top spot for its comfort and customizable features. It operates with 2 controllers, allowing you to adjust temperature and timer settings independently, so each sleeper can customize their comfort level. That's perfect for my partner and I, who have different sleep preferences. Additionally, the ventilated upper surface is breathable to ward off hot flashes while sleeping, making it suitable to use both as a cooling and a heating pad. What we like about it: dual zones for individualized heating. Controls plug in separately. What we don't like about it: may be able to feel heating wires. Number 4. UdiRIS Cotton Blend Heated Mattress Pad. This pad is a luxurious, quilted electric mattress pad with deep coverage to provide ideal warmth and comfort. Made with ultra-soft cotton fabric, it is designed to fit most mattresses, including split-king adjustable beds, massage tables, and dorm beds. It has a snug, elasticized skirt that fits mattresses up to 17 inches thick and will keep you comfortable all night long. This pad even has technology that utilizes evenly spaced heating elements to deliver even temperature distribution throughout the mattress pad, creating a warm and inviting sleeping environment. What we like about it: cozy and comfortable heating. Fast heat-up times. Machine washable. What we don't like about it: large plug at the foot of the bed. Number 5. MP2 Plush Heated Mattress Pad. This pad is an ideal solution for those looking for optimal comfort. This pad has a unique design that allows for a warm yet comfortable sleep experience without the annoyance of wires or cords in the bedding. It is available in sizes Twin, Twin XL, Full, Queen, King, and California King, and is constructed with vertical channels and 5 ounces of fill, so you will always feel the warmth but never feel the wires. The temperature can be easily adjusted with dual controllers. What we like about it: comfortable and has no wire feel. Individual control for dual sizes. Has a preheat option. What we don't like about it: not as many heat settings as other options. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.